Today I'm making our family masala omelette. Grew up eating this all the time, and I'm teaching my children today. Heat the pan, add oil. I am making 4 eggs today. Let the oil heat. Add onions. I took one big onion, chopped, and we have to cook this on medium to low heat until it is golden brown. So, ingredients. Onions are cooking. I added little salt to it. I took about half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And we have to mix this with a little bit of water to make a paste. So I added a little bit of water and making this into little saucy paste. I don't know where my whisk is right now. I'm just using this fork to do the job. So this is the consistency. Now I add 4 eggs to it. I got 1 twin egg, so I'm gonna just use it. So these are 5 eggs now. I'm gonna beat like this until all the masala is mixed well with eggs. Eggs are ready. Our onions are golden brown. They are ready. So we will add the eggs, beaten eggs. Stove is still on medium. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit to medium high. Started raising up. So a little swirl like this. This will take a little while to cook actually. The entire cooking time from cutting to cooking is like 15 minutes. It is a trick now. You have to flip this. Okay. So I turn to the other side to cook. Another couple of minutes, this will be ready. Let's see on the other side how. Okay, actually this is ready. So that is my masala omelette. I like little charred onions. Little charred is tastes better. Okay, this can be eaten with dal, sambar on the side dish. We call it nanju. Uh, this is one of our favorite childhood snack or side dish. Anyone who sees this, enjoy.